I'm going to be unboxing Totally Tiny. That's what it's called. Totally Tiny. Series 1 blind bag surprise. Comes with 2 of them. So I got toast with butter and 2 boiled eggs. And they're like rubbery. I would buy more of these. Hopefully that they don't give me repeats. I mean, I don't mind double, and then I have to give it to my nieces, Brianna and Avery, but I would like to have others. I got 2 boiled eggs. They're together, it's not separate. And then toast with butter. How cute. And so the one I got is Rise and Shine. That's what it's called. And other ones is Bakery Treats. It looked like a heart cookie. And they look like cookies or macaroons. I don't know. And the other one is Fiesta Time Taco. And look like Cheetos. It's kind of cute. So I'm going to be unboxing Dino World Drippy Dino Fun. Dino Slime and Fossil. 1 dino fossil inside. Collect all. Super squishy and slithery. Do not eat. So the back. So both of them, first time unboxing these. I never seen these before. Well, I've seen it before in it had to be Dollar Tree next to Rose Bank, but I'm not sure. Because I haven't been to the other one in Highland. And I'm scared I'm gonna cut the slime. I don't know how to cut this. Ooh. Ugh. Smells like rubbery slime. Ooh. It's more like putty instead of slime. It looks like jello. Fossil. I can't leave it in this bag because it might turn hard, and I like it this kind of like jelly kind of slime it look like. So I will have to put it in one of the. I'll have to, I mix it with the other slime. Hold on, before I finish, because I see the dinosaur fossil. Here's one of the slimes I have, and I don't want to ruin that one, so I'm not mixing it with that one. But I wanted to show you this one. This one I Most of these slimes I got in Family Dollar before, but I'm not sure. Some could have been Dollar General, but I don't know. This one's slime foam add-ins. Way back I paid $5. And then this other one is pink. I might end up adding in here. Just says slime. I know I had more bottles, I think, but I don't know where I put it. So, like I said, I'm gonna add it in here after I finish. Oh, look how it turned. It turned different. This is cool. Ooh, click. It's like the silly putty, noisy putty. I don't know if you hear it. There we go. Finished. Ooh. Oh my god. It's not. Is it? Oh, the one I got is the blue one, which is the Plesiosaurus, this one. And playing with slime, putty, any other, I can't remember the rest of the stuff. There are other types of things. I feel like it helps me a little more of the, like to cope with my anxiety. How cool. This is the coolest. It's a little yucky with the slime, but that's okay. How cool this fella is. Look, little dinosaur. It's like a skeleton dinosaur. He's cool. He likes taking a bath in the slime. So why not kind of ooh, some of it came out. Some of the pieces are falling on the floor. That's okay. Looks like a pool, don't you think? Like a pool. I don't want to fall. What do you think of my little new fellow here? He's so cute. He's like creepy and cute at the same time. I don't know. And then I like this I really like this slime. It's like putty. You could hear it. Oh, you heard that? Wasn't me. I'm a little gassy, but yeah. Trying to put it like if it could come out of my fingers. Ugh. I had fun. It's a different kind of slime. I don't know. It's a slime. It's more like slime putty. Oh, it ain't popping. Oh, this is the last video. If you want me to do maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, if I don't go nowhere, different slimes, I will have to look for the rest of them. I don't know if I put it in a bag. I usually leave it in the bottom, but if you want me to do a video of different slimes to show you and try them out, let me know. Comment down below.